Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn advanced feature operations in NX CAD. Trim body, split body. For trim body you can use the trim body function to trim a solid body with a sheet body or a datum plane and at the same time retain parameters and associativity. To use this command, go to insert, click on trim body or click on its icon in the feature icon. For split body, a solid body can be split into two bodies by a plane or sheet body. To use this command, go to insert, click on trim, click on split body. Then next Boolean operations, we will see this all in software. Here I have already drawn a rectangle. We will split this first. Select a body, then select a plane. This is how it gets splitted. And for trim body, click on trim body, select body, select a plane. This is how it will get trimmed. Then for Boolean operations, we will draw a sketch on this rectangular face. I will randomly draw a circle. If I click on this circle, here you can see the Boolean operations. If I click on unite, select the body, these both two bodies will unite. If I will click on subtract, here I have to, this body will subtract from this body. If I select on intersect, see, after intersecting, this body will become like this. Okay.